Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AiWALLET token. Now the AiWALLET token just recently finished their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it now that the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the AiWALLET token. So ticker symbol is AiWALLET. Name of the token is AiWALLET space token. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 1 billion tokens. They had 400 million tokens for pre-sale, 193.8 million tokens for liquidity. So they had a pre-sale recently on pinksale.finance. Soft cap was set at 50 BNB, and they had 204 different investors contribute to the pre-sale, and they ended up selling 150.79 BNB worth of tokens. They did more than 3 times their soft cap for a very successful pre-sale. So now that the pre-sale's over, this token will be going over to PancakeSwap for purchase. So you can get this token now by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the AiWALLET token using the contract address that you can find on their webpage, aiwallet.world. Now, you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And it says liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 1 full year. So it says AiWALLET is a cutting-edge multi-chain crypto wallet for Android and iOS devices that allows users to securely store, manage, and transfer crypto assets with its AI technology. AiWALLET makes it easy to manage it. App is live in the Play Store. What is the AiWALLET? Multi-chain live, swap live, staking live, NFT wallet live, NFT marketplace live, dApp browser live. You can buy crypto, fiat, wallet, and Telegram chat, GPT, AI bot, audit, KYC, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap coming soon. No private sale, 0% unlocked tokens, and they're going to do Binance Ask Me Anythings and have central exchange listings coming in the future. So in a nutshell, that's what this project's all about. They do have a full audit here listed on PinkSale. They were audited by Cyberscope, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a full KYC on here. They have a GitHub. Their Telegram is at AiWALLET_chat. They have a Facebook at AiWALLET. And they have a Twitter at AiWALLET_world, and their official webpage, like I said earlier, is aiwallet.world. Now, according to their token metrics allocation pie chart here, it says 40% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 19.38% of the tokens go to liquidity, 18% go to marketing, 10% go to central exchange listings, 5% staking, 5% bridge, and 2.62% go to partnerships. Now, there is a free and quick light audit here by Analytics Audit in the discussion section on PinkSale. And it says, no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot change the fees over 25%. Owner can't set max transaction. Owner can't change trading status. And owner cannot set a blacklist. So all sorts of good stuff there on their quick audit. So AiWALLET is a cutting-edge cryptocurrency mobile wallet that provides a secure and user-friendly platform for users to store, manage, and transact with their digital assets. This innovative wallet offers features like real-time market data, specified user interface, a multi-layered security measures to ensure the safety of users' funds. Whether you are an experienced crypto trader or a new entrant into the crypto world, AiWALLET makes it easy for you to manage your digital assets on the go. With its powerful technology, AiWALLET is set to revolutionize the way people store, manage, and transact with their crypto assets. So some of the features of AiWALLET here is advanced technology. AiWALLET leverages artificial intelligence and blockchain technology to deliver a secure and efficient platform for managing digital assets. It's got a user-friendly interface. The wallet features a clean, intuitive design that makes it easy for users to manage their cryptocurrencies. Multi-layered security measures. AiWALLET implements robust security measures, including biometric authentication and encrypted private keys to protect users' funds. Cross-platform availability. The wallet is available on both Android and iOS devices, making it accessible to a large audience. Support for multiple cryptocurrencies. AiWALLET supports multiple cryptocurrencies, allowing users to store and manage multiple assets all in a single place. Seamless transactions. The wallet provides a seamless experience for users to transact with their cryptocurrencies, whether they are sending or receiving assets. Cryptocurrency swaps. AiWALLET allows users to swap cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet, providing a convenient and efficient solution for managing digital assets. Staking. So the wallet supports staking, allowing users to earn rewards for holding on to their assets and participating in the network's consensus process. NFT support. AiWALLET offers support for non-fungible tokens, NFTs, allowing users to store, manage, and trade unique digital assets and crypto. Buy with fiat. AiWALLET provides an option to buy cryptocurrencies using fiat currency, making it easy for users to enter the world of crypto and manage their digital assets. And you can read more in depth about all of that stuff on their white paper, which you can find at whitepaper.aiwallet.world. Their roadmap here starts with community building, website development, app development, API development, release AiWALLET to the Play Store, swap features, NFT support, launch AiWALLET token. So that's kind of where we're at right now. And then CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Central Exchange listings coming soon, staking, then a full CertiK audit, crypto buy with fiat, blockchain and Explorer, partnerships, decentralized exchange, and then wallet browser extension, implementing ChatGPT-3, DEX limit orders, future trading, and partnerships with top-tier exchanges. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.